I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hate me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be, I don't even know how to describe it. We're packing with me to go to Italy. I leave for Italy in 2 days, 21st, it's the 19th, I'm pretty sure. And I was supposed to pack like a week ago, but I was just so busy. And I feel like people like, depends on like the type of person now. Like I'm a last minute packer. I would have packed tomorrow, but I am so busy tomorrow. I have camp, then after camp I have a whole performance because I'm celebrating Juneteenth at this Juneteenth event. So I'm just not gonna have time. But for minimal prep, I got my hair done and nice like long kind of like bob kind of haircut, and I got my nails done. So yeah, let's start. Okay, we are currently sitting on my floor. Here is my suitcase. She's huge. This is my checked bag, and then next to me I have my carry-on. So probably what I'm gonna do is put like an extra outfit in here, and then just like extra mini travel things I think is gonna be important. So yeah, starting with bottoms, we're gonna pack jeans and then skirts and then shorts. So for jeans, I have these black ones that I like to wear. I might just rearrange this whole thing. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can roll it. I think rolling it will help. It's my own YouTube video playing in the background. That's actually crazy. Okay, so all my shorts and jeans are in. Now we're gonna move on to my skirts. I have this one that I finally borrowed, and I have this mini skirt I'm very excited to wear. I think it's so cute. All my bottoms kind of like line the bottom of my suitcase. That's what it's called, suitcase. And I'm gonna put all my tops on top. And then I'm going to pack my toiletries tonight because for tomorrow and Saturday, I'm going to use my like mini bubble skincare, like my travel ones. So I can like put those in my carry-on and use them as we're traveling to like the airport and stuff like that, because like my skin gets very like dry. And this one. Tonight. I'm going to pack them early tomorrow morning and then just live out my suitcase. But everything else we're gonna mainly finish packing tomorrow. Let's pack this little baby. For tonight, and that's probably all I'm gonna put in that suitcase. I'm probably gonna put like a tote bag and a book in there or something like that, and it's gonna hold like my personal items. But besides that, yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Let's do a little transition. Hi guys, issue, I need to repack everything and fits it all into this suitcase and my backpack. Apparently we're not allowed to check bags, so I have to get everything into this carry-on. I'll update you when that's done. Okay, so I packed this in my carry-on. I'm really like stuffing it down, but next is toiletries. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put all my toiletries in my backpack, and then I have a few tops. I'm gonna see if I can sprinkle them on the surface, zip that up real quick, see what toiletries can fit in here, and yeah. Am I magic or what? Because I think I did it. I think I did it. I'm gonna show you my beautiful packing. I'm too lazy to get off my bed, but there's my carry-on suitcase, and then that's my backpack. She's a little dirty. I bought new Converse, and those are like a huge upgrade from the ones I was wearing personally. That is stuff I forgot to put in my suitcase, so I just put it in tomorrow. And that's a purse. I'm gonna figure out how to kind of like sneak that in, because I'm pretty sure that's supposed to count as my carry-on, but that has like all my that has my chargers, my headphones. So yeah. Okay, one last thing I want to show you is my airport outfit, because I leave tomorrow. I think I said that. I think I just said that. But it's this pink like matching set. It's like a top and like sweatpants kind of. And then I'm just gonna wear this pink hoodie, and then here's the top. But yeah, that's the airport outfit. Okay, so without further ado, everything's pretty much packed and set up and ready to go. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in Italy.
I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hate me. Come